Assalamualaikum to Madam and our friends. Today our group will do the presentation on our group project and show some demo according to our system. Before that, let me introduce myself and my team member. Our group consists of 6 members, which is me, Syahiera Binti Sazali. My metric number is 2020891022 as the database designer.
My name is Syaidatul Raihan Binti Razman. My matrix ID is 2020463848 and I am the database designer of the system.
Hi, my name is Hanis Mazrah Binti Othman. My metric ID is 2020824884 and my position in the group as the project manager.
Hi, my name is Nuraddina Izzah binti Hamizi. My student ID is 2020877424 and I'm in charge as the system analyst.
Hi, my name is ABDURRAHMAN. My metric number is 201 and 2634226. My position in the group as programmer.
Hi, my name is Daniya Puteri Mustapha. My metric number is 2019-08214 and my position.
Okay, for introduction, let's move to the project objective. This project consists of 3 objectives, which is first, to register the new movie to be shown. The management will update the latest story to be screened and classify each movie released by category and each link for each. The second one, to take order from each customer. The management can take order from each customer according to their preferred movie, and customer can choose the movie that they interested to watch. And the last one, facilitate payment arrangement. The management will provide reasonable price for adult and children category, and customer have the option of whether to make payment using debit or credit card or any other payment method. Next, we continue with project scope. For project scope, we opted to use a web browser as the end user interface for the system. It will be simple for everyone as they only need to browse online at any search. Our team choose MySQL as our database to keep all user information and personal data as it is a well-known and popular database for the website. And to prevent any malware or hackers from hacking this website, and it will be enhanced in terms of the security aspect. Users simply need to choose the movie that they desire to watch in the menu section and click the button book now. The user also can update their booking date, time and see in the my booking button. That's all from me. Now let's continue with ABDURRAHMAN.
Next is management process. What is management process? Management process is to begin with the goal set. Goal set with biggest pictures of what we want to accomplish. We need to have a clear view where we're going and what it looks like when they finish. All right. This is involved breaking down tasks and subtasks with a clear deadline. And here we can create a bridge abstract idea and the concrete action. We also develop a plan action, tools and materials. All right. Third, we implement the strategies where monitor our progress. We likely run into barrier or problems. All right, which is force us to create problem solving, and also we're doing some trials. All right, next. This is our project schedule, which is to take 14 weeks to finish from introduction to the final presentations. Next. All right, this is our project delivery. Here we can see target delivery date and end of product. Next. Budget. All right. The first one is hardware, which is cost around 55,074 ringgit. And the next one is software, which is cost around 49,178 ringgit and 68 cents. All right, also salary and wage, which cost around 200,000. All right, the last one is other expenses, which is cost around 20,000 ringgit. Next. All right, the grand total cost summary is 324,252 ringgit and 64 cents. All right, that's all from me. I present to the next presenter.
Right, thank you. So, system specification. Next slide. Okay, so we have module function, list of input data. Point 1, user identifier key and user access. Assigned a unique identifier in the system. Customers and staff must know this because the identifiers are the key to access all systems abilities, such as booking the movie they choose. Point 2, details of booking and registration. Available through the system. It will be emailed to the customer and staff email address as proof of booking and registration. Point 3, payment. All payments provided using credit or debit cards, online banking, and e-wallet. Next. Okay, processes involved. So we have tables here, users, stakeholders, functions, and description. So the first table is staff admin login process, able to log into information systems. Staff admin update data, can view their dashboard. Admin edit data, can delete and add new prompt info. Going to the next presenter.
Move on to the system design. So as you can see from figure 2, the new user needs to create an account by signing up in the system. They require you to fill out some personal information in the form. Next, if the user is already just registered, they can simply click the login menu and enter their registered email and password. On the movie selection page, the user has to choose the movie title, theater room, seat type, date, and time. After that, the user has 3 options to choose for payment method, which are online banking, credit card or debit card, and e-wallet payment. For admin page, the admin can update, add, or delete the movie, such as editing movie name, schedule, poster, duration, or description. Admin also can set the theater. For example, the admin can edit the theater room, seat count, and seat type. For the manager of the cinema needs to generate the bill and review the payment. And the manager only has to insert the user's order ID to determine the total of the order that they have made. Also, the manager can keep track of the customer's payment by reviewing the payment in the cinema ticket booking system. We move on to the project demo.
So hello. For users' point of view, if the user have an account, they can simply insert their email and password to log in. If they didn't have an account, they can press register here to register. They need to insert their username, email, password, and they also need to retype their password to verify the password whether it's the same or not. For example, so when pressing the register, it will pop up, wow, user registration completed. And it will go back to this page. By inserting the email and password that had registered just now, they can log in, pressing log in, and they will be brought to this. In this page, we have the name of the system, home button where they can go to the home page, the movies button where they can go to the movie page, and the logout button so that they can log out in the navigation bar. So if customers want to reserve their seat, they will simply click the reserve button. In the reserve section, it has the title, the movie title, the movie's description, and the movie's duration. To reserve the seat, they need to insert their last name, their first name, contact number, and theatre. For example, so you also need to choose the seat group. For now, we have 2 seat groups, twin and single. Single for 1 customer and twin for 2 customers. By choosing whether single or twin, it will pop up the number of seats that is available right now. So they can choose the quantity, inserting the date, any date they want, and the time. By clicking the book button, it will come back to this. It will say reservation successfully saved. So after pressing the OK button, it will go to this payment section. For the payment section, customer need to enter their name, nickname or whatever, and choose their payment method, voucher code if they have one, and the payment date, which is right now the date that they made this payment. $1,002. And to continue, they need to press the pay button, and it will bring them to this page. So if the user had finished with their booking, they can log out. I will pass to the order.
Okay, next we move on to the admin page. Okay, we move on to admin page. First, admin need to insert their username and the password. And it will appear the booking page. The admin page have the navigation bar, which is book page, is booking for booking, and movie list, movie page, and then theater page, the theater setting. Okay, for the books page, this page has display the order ID, the customer names, customer contact, movie, the movie that the customer choose, and their reservation info. Okay, next we move on to movie list page. Okay, for the movie list page, it will display the movie that have the showing the movie that our system have. First, in this page, admin can edit, update, and delete the movie. For example, the Doctor Strange movie, the status as the pending. So we want to edit to the now showing. First, we change the day. Okay, and save, and the data successfully. Okay, so as we can see, the status of the Doctor Strange movie is the showing. Okay, okay, as you can see at the user homepage, we have Doctor Strange movie. Okay, now we if you want to change to the status as the end. Okay, and save data. Okay, it will pop out the data successfully saved. Okay, as you can see, the Doctor Strange movie has ended. The status has ended. Okay, if the admin want to add the new movie, okay, for example, the admin need to change the title, okay, and then the description. And the hour. Okay, the date. So to July and end it 7. And choose the poster. Okay, and save. Okay, it will show the data successfully added. Okay, now we need to see at the user homepage. Okay, you can see the KKN disciplinary have been added at the user homepage. Okay, next is status setting. Okay, for the title setting, we have a new title, which is admin can add the new title and the seat group by choosing the title names and add the group. And seat, the amount of seat. Okay, now the data have been successfully added. Okay, as you can see at the tree, or user can delete also. Okay, continue to delete. Okay. Okay, that's all from us. Okay, thank you.